Do you ever wonder what your fellow campers are eating? I am speaking at the 2025 Grand Design Owners Quartzsite Rally about RV cooking. And so I thought it would be super fun if we did a recipe swap exchange before the rally. And so what I am doing is asking you to submit your favorite recipes, and I'm going to put them all together in a PDF, which will be like a printable cookbook. So we're going to do a recipe swap. I am looking for anything that you like to eat, like mains, sides, desserts, drinks, whatever. And also any kind of cooking equipment you like to use. I know there's a ton of people that are using Blackstones right now, but that's not the only thing that people are cooking on. You might actually use your RV's stove and oven, but whatever it is that you're using out there to cook, that is great. The more variety, the better in the types of foods and the types of equipment, because when you do a recipe exchange, there's all sorts of people with dietary restrictions and limitations on the kinds of equipment they have. I'm going to put everything together just like the recipes that you find on my website, which will include things like the recipe, the ingredients, instructions, equipment, special notes, and also nutritional information. So if you wouldn't mind, it would be awesome if you could include this information, not necessarily in this order, but at least this information. So we need the recipe name, any special equipment that is required, the number of servings that the recipe makes, the ingredients, instructions, any special notes, your name as you would like it to appear in the cookbook as the submitter. And also, I think it would be super fun to share the type of rig that you camp in. So you know that Pete and I have our 303 RLS Reflection Grand Design, and we really love it. And it's just kind of fun to know what other people are driving around in and what they're eating. It's kind of like, being a looky-loo into somebody else's camping experience. To be included, please submit your recipes by January 31st. Once I put the whole collection together, I will share a link so that you can grab a copy for yourself. If you need a little bit of inspiration, check out my video, 10 Easy Camping Recipes. I will leave a link in the description below. Also, if you're going to be at the 2025 Grand Design Owner Quartzsite Rally, let me know that too. I would love to hook up once we're there. I'm also going to be doing a talk, so I'm not sure of the date and time yet, but I'll let you know as soon as I know. I look forward to trying your recipes and sharing your recipes with other fellow campers. I will talk to you again soon.